Hello friends, welcome to another video of elementary algebra, and in this video we're going to do some examples of composite number and prime number. So simply I'm just going to write down a couple of numbers, okay, and we'll decide whether that is a prime number or a composite number, okay. And if it is a composite number, we are going to list out all the factors of that number, okay. So let's start with a simple number, say about 9, okay. So 9, you know that 9, I want you to guess the answer for this, and then write down all the factors if it is a composite number. So yes, this is a composite number, and the number is like this. We have to write down all the pairs of the numbers which give answer as 9, okay. All the pairs we just simply write down. So okay, so 3 into 3 is 9, okay. So what are the other pairs? 1 into 9 is one pair. Is there anything else? I don't think so. So only these numbers are numbers which actually multiplies and give you answer as 9, okay. So now the factors are what are the factors? We're simply going to write down all the factors. So 3 is repeated, so no need to write 3 two times, just simply write as 3, okay. 1 is a factor and the number itself is a factor, okay. So no other number gives multiplies and gives you the answer as 9. So these are the factors of 9, okay. So let's try a different one. How about 12? We can do 12. So what gives answer as 12? There are many, I think. So first is that comes to mind is 6. Oops. 6 multiplied by 2 gives the answer as 12. And then what are the other cases? 3 multiplied by 4 gives answer as 12. And then 1 multiplied by 12 itself give you the same answer. So I think that's enough. That is correct. I think that those are the cases which gives factors of 12. So what we need to do is list out all the factors now, okay. I'm going to list out all the factors. So let me here change the color and then write again. So first number I think of is 6. 6 is a factor, and then the other one is 2, and then next one is 3. 4 is a factor, and then 1 is a factor, and then 12 is a factor, okay. So these are the factors. Then notice that the case where this is a case where 1 and the number itself is always factor, okay. So here also the 1 and the number itself is also a factor of in the factor list. Apart from this, composite numbers have other numbers as factors. For example, 3 is a different number from 9. 12 has these many numbers which are different from 12 itself, and 1 is excluded. We don't count 1 and the number itself. These are some examples. You may find that most of the numbers are composite and few numbers are the prime numbers. Okay, so let's simply go ahead and remove this. Okay, I'm going to remove this. Just a minute. Okay, simple. So now we have to view some other numbers which are prime numbers. Okay, so primes, what are the prime numbers? What are the rules for prime numbers? If you have watched my videos, then you know that the prime number is something that has only two factors. Okay, 1 and number itself. Okay, so 1 and number itself, these are the only two factors. Okay, 1 and the number itself. Then if you have no other factors, then the number is prime. Okay, so let's view a couple of examples here. So let's say 7. Is 7 divisible by any other number? So it's divisible by 1, we know that, and is divisible by 7, but there is no other number which can divide the 7, so it is a prime. Okay, so what about 11? Is there any other number which can divide or multiply 11? Any other number that will give you answer as 11 other than 1 and 11 itself? So I think no. So this is a prime number. So similarly, you have a prime number as 13. Okay, 13 is a prime. And so there are more numbers. For example, 17. There is no number which divides or that is a result of multiplication, whose product is 17. There is no other number like that. Okay, so 1 and 17 are the only two factors. And then we have 19. And then what about 21? Is that a prime number? No, because 7 into 3 gives you 21, so it is not a prime number. This one is composite number. It's a composite number. Oops. Composite. Okay, so this is a composite number. So let's check some other numbers here. Let's find out some other numbers. See if they are. What about 23? Yes, 23 is a prime number. I simply list out all the prime numbers here. 23. Then what about 24, 25, 26, 27 is also multiplied by 7 multiplier. It's also a composite number because it goes through 9. 9 3s are 27. 28, 29. What about 29? 29, I think. Yes, this is a prime number. 31 is a prime number. 32, 33 is divisible by 11, so it's not a prime. 34, 35, 36, 37. There are many prime numbers, but you get the idea, right? The prime number is one which has only factor as 1 and the number itself, no other number. Okay, no other factors. So I hope you learned something today. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you very much.